Hi, my name is Rick Frazier. I'm from Manchester, Iowa, and I chose Physical Therapy Solutions because I had total knee replacement back in April. It was totally gone. I was in a lot of pain. Uh, Went to see doctors. They gave me shots, took pills. Nothing helped, so finally had to get right down and have the surgery done. And afterwards, we had to go to physical therapy and make a choice on where to go. And I chose Physical Therapy Solutions because they built a brand new building, new state-of-the-art building. It looked really nice. I didn't know nothing about them. I went in a week before surgery to talk to them about it, checked the place out. I loved it. It was nice, clean, friendly atmosphere. Ashley at the front desk was wonderful, answered all my questions about insurance. And then had the surgery. Right after surgery, a day later, basically started my physical therapy. They were very accommodating in scheduling me. That worked well for my situation. And they were very compassionate, understanding, caring. They listened. And they explained, what was important to me is that they explained all the exercises that they gave me to do here and at home, why I was doing them and what they were important, either being stretching or strengthening exercises, which was very, very helpful to me to understand why I was doing that particular exercise. It did strengthen me. I am back to work now. I just really appreciate everything they've done for me, and I hope this helps you choose where to go after your knee surgery or any every other needs you need for physical therapy. I really appreciate Josiah, Ashley, and Michelle for helping me through this time in my life to get back to normal, and I hope they can help you too. Thank you.